What's going on, guys, and welcome back to the 4K Motoring YouTube channel. I'm Chris, and today we're going to talk about technology, specifically the new Google Pixel Watch. This is going to be the first in a series of videos about this watch. I know it's just come out, people are still getting a lot of information from it. I want to go ahead and get the unboxing and setup out of the way. If you guys have any specific questions or features that you want to see tested on this watch, let me know in the comments below. I'll make sure I bring that to you. For the most part, what I want to test is whether this watch here, the new Google Pixel Watch, is worthy of the $100 increase over something like a Fossil Gen 6 smartwatch, and where you should really spend your money. Is this a Fitbit product, or is this truly a Pixel branded product? We're going to find out. So in typical Google design language, the box looks very Google, very modern Google, same as you'll find on most of the Pixels, and really doesn't look too bad. Nothing overly fancy about it. The presentation's good, right there front and center. The watch itself has an interesting design. It is very rounded. The glass covers all the edges, which are usually the high impact points. It looks, like people have said, very much like a Pebble. The watch comes with all the features you'd expect. It's got Bluetooth, tap to pay, heart rate monitoring, SpO2 monitoring available. It's got speakers, microphones, pretty much everything that you would expect in a modern smartwatch, but really nothing that a smartwatch hasn't had for the last, I don't know, 3 or 4 years. Setup on this watch has been remarkably easy. It did pair with the Google Pixel 6 very easily. It found it right away and guided you through the setup on the phone. That actually allowed you to set up a lot of the menu features on the watch itself right from the phone. I found it a little odd that Google didn't use the Android Wear app, which it's had kind of forever to pair with watches. It uses a Google Pixel watch app, which may be part of the Android Wear 3.0 and plus. The Android Wear 3 and up might require its own app, which is why Fossil's kind of lagging behind on doing the upgrade to the 6. But overall, pretty easy to use. Nothing truly groundbreaking on it so far. We'll see in using it for a couple days what we actually get out of it, what our battery life is like, what the features are like, and how well this actually does as a Pixel watch. Like I said, anything that you specifically want to see about this watch, any features that you think need tested, any claims that you're not quite sure about, let me know in the comments below. I'll make sure I include those in the test. I'll make sure I verify that stuff with this watch. As always, appreciate you guys watching 4K Motoring. If you haven't hit that like button and subscribe already, please do. It helps us out. And we'll be back with more very soon.